Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my BTS Boy with Love inspired design. Start off by painting your thumb a bright pink, your pinky nail light blue, and all of your other nails white. On the first two nails, we're going to be making a kind of collage with a bunch of different shapes. Start off at the top with blues and purples and make your way down to darker pinks and oranges near the bottom. This part of the design is inspired by the acrylic set from around the 220 mark in the music video. Since we're trying to recreate an acrylic look, you want the different color blocks you're making to kind of look like paintbrush strokes. I used a lot of different polishes for these two nails, but I realized that most people probably don't collect nail polishes the way that I do. If you're looking for an alternative, acrylic paint is a great option since you can mix your own colors instead of buying a bunch of individual polish bottles. Once you've finished with the background, use white paint or polish to write LO on the first nail and VE on the second. It's important to top coat the nails before adding the writing over top of the background, something I didn't do when filming. Adding the layer of top coat makes the letters look like they're floating over top of the background instead of blending into it. Fill in the letters with a light yellow. Seal in your design with a top coat. For this nail, we're going for a more watercolor-like effect. First, make a cloud with light purple polish and then fill the top of the nail in with navy blue. Use a brush dipped in acetone to blend the colors together where they meet. Add a darker purple stripe under the cloud and blend it out with acetone. It's important to use nail polish for this part of the design specifically because acrylic paint won't react the same way to acetone. Add a light pink stripe and soften the edges. Fill in the rest of the nail with a pale yellow, still using acetone to blend the edges with the pink. Add some buildings at the bottom with a bright pink. Add some shadows with a darker pink and some windows with a lighter pink. Make the silhouette of a lamppost with white. Fill the circle in with pale yellow, and then the two bits on either side with the darker yellow. Fill the rest in with light orange. Add some shadows first with darker orange and then with brown. You can use a brush dipped in acetone to soften out the brown lines. Make some pale yellow dots for stars and then seal in your design with a top coat. Apply liquid latex around the nail. Use a makeup sponge to dab some white polish onto the nail in the shape of clouds. Add a little bit of gray at the bottom of each cloud for shading. Section off a line in the center of the nail using striping tape and then fill it in with bright pink polish. Seal in your design with a top coat. Make a grid on your nail using a pink that's just a little bit darker than the base color. Make the heart logo from the Persona album using white paint or polish. Seal in your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!